What is a genetic reservoir?
Makes you look like you're hiking in the Sunday, man.
You want to add that to your video?
Of course I will have to do that.
Yeah.
Here in Wallins Reservoir. I'm going to check to see what amount of water fell into this after a couple inches of rain. It gets more water. A little bit. Oh shit, a little bit.
You can go fishing in there.
A little bit. Man, it would take 6 inches of rain to fill this. Right? And it's still brown, that's settled yet.
Yeah, because it's freshly. They got fish in there.
Yeah.
That's a donkey over there. Me, I'm going to say you got a deer over
The
there.
same donkey that was there last Sunday, man.
You mean the person I'm going to move it?
Why they would want to tie it right in the area? It'll drown if this semi full up. Right?
Yeah. Because the water will come all the way up there.
Yeah. Yeah. So
I got it.
didn't fall. A lot of rain didn't come this side. The Wallins Nature Reserve.
But this is property of the government, right?
Oh yeah.
The state controlled
Yeah.
environment and property.
Yeah. Don't know what year this was constructed.
You can look into it.
Yeah.
I don't know. From my estimation, it's not very, 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 very old.
Not
Because
bad.
of the stonework.
Yeah.
It's not very, 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 very old. It's not like 100 years.
I think it's more than 100 years. Man.
No.
Yeah.
Not with this kind of block here.
Yeah.
The rest were probably here, but not this. Yeah, look at the block. Look at the material.
Well, there's nothing here to say what year it was constructed.
Private carbon copy will tell you this brick are not that old. They wasn't building brick like this them time. If it was stone, but look, you see, everything is square.
Mm-hmm. I got you.
You know, it probably built maybe in the 50s or 40s, but
Yeah, I would love to see a lot of water running down out of here,
yeah,
coming over here.
it would look nice.
Yeah.
It would be like a waterfall.
Yes, yes. Yeah. Going all the way down. Mm-hmm. Yeah, we're in the Wallins Nature Reserve here. Just paying a little visit. We got pollen is bothering you?
I don't know what it is. It happens to me sometimes. Even in the house, a cough like that sometimes. I don't know what it is. There's no pollen around. The rain came there, they washed it through. So the air is free here.
Yeah.